Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update QuickBooks Online with AI to categorize transactions automatically, full guide step by step clearly. To update QuickBooks Online with AI for automatic transaction categorization, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the banking menu on the left-hand side. Click on Banking to access your connected bank and credit card accounts. If you haven't connected your accounts yet, select Link Account to set up the connections. Once your accounts are linked, proceed to the For Review tab where you can see all your transactions. Look for the option labeled Categorize to begin assigning categories to your transactions. To enable AI features, click on the gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the Account and Settings menu, choose the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Company Type section and make sure it's set to a type that supports AI features. Now, return to the Banking section and review your transaction list. QuickBooks will begin to analyze your transaction history and suggest categories automatically. Take note of suggested categories and review them for accuracy. You can manually adjust any suggestions by selecting the correct category from the drop-down menu. Once satisfied with the categories, click on Confirm to apply the changes. It's essential to review these suggestions periodically as your transaction patterns may change. To enhance the AI's learning capabilities, click on Learn More to access additional training options. Engage with the training prompts to help the AI understand your categorization preferences. Make a habit of checking the For Review tab regularly to stay updated on any new transactions. By consistently using the AI features, you'll save time and improve the accuracy of your accounting. Remember, you can always refer back to the Help section for further guidance on using AI in QuickBooks Online. This concludes your guide on updating QuickBooks Online with AI for automatic transaction categorization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.